Okay, my happy students. Let's talk about percentages on a number line. So first, let's draw a number line. I'm no artist, so it's not going to be beautiful. But let's make a range from 0 to say 1. And let's count our number line into equal parts. So if I count between 0 and 1, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Or if I count the boxes or parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. So that means each line represents 1 out of 5 parts. So this line is 1/5. And the second line would be 2/5. That's right. Because you're adding, now you don't have just 1/5, you have 2/5. Then the third line would be 3/5. And the fourth line would be 4/5. 3/4, 3/5. And then the whole number would be 5 out of 5, right? So how do we use what we already know to do this illustration? So if I take, let's make a box that goes from 0 to 1. And I'm going to split that box into parts. I know that this box would be 1/5 because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. This would be another fifth, 1/5, 2/5. This would be another fifth. So this is 3/5 up to this point. This would be another fifth. So this is 4/5 up to this point, and this would be my final fifth. So I'd be at a whole, which would represent one complete box, 1/5. Now let's add our percentages into this. Well, if I don't know what 1/5 is as a percentage, then I will do the division. And how would we do that? Top number goes inside our division bar. The bottom number goes outside. I know that 1 is not divisible by 5. So I'm going to add the decimal, float it up, forget about it, add a couple of zeros. And 5 does not go into 1, so this is going to be 0. 5 does go into 10, however. Remember, I'm ignoring that decimal. And 5 goes into 10 2 times. So 5 times 2 then is 10. And so this is 0. Bring this 0 down. Still 0. So it's just 0.20 hundredths or 2/10. So 1/5 is equal to 2/10 or 20 hundredths, which is equal to 20%. Remember, we moved that decimal 2 times to the right. So if this 1/5 is 20 hundredths, 2/5 must be 1/5 times 2, or 20 hundredths times 2, 40 hundredths, which would be equal to 40%. And with 6, it's 1/5 times 3. So this is 20 hundredths times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So 60 hundredths, or 60%. Sorry. And 4/5 would be 1/4 or 20 hundredths times 4, 80 hundredths or 8/10. And this would be 80%. And we know that 1 whole is 1 whole, or 100%.